Hey, we just got on board, and first thing we went to do is go get us a drink, and we got us a mimosa, cappuccino, and looking at our view and everything. It's still setting in port. We'll be here till about 5 o'clock. And, look at that. Hey, Marshall. Now, what is the crystals? What are they called? Swarovski. And this is the atrium. And it goes up. And it goes up. Look at this. It's where you check in. And they're greeting people as they come in, offer them the drink packages and various things. But I want you to look at that. And it runs. Largest screen on the ocean. Walk down and see where we're eating tonight before everybody gets here. And look at the wine dispensers. And look at all the wine. These are bottles everywhere. Yeah. And there's two restaurants. Two restaurants, right? Yeah, there's one on this side and one on the other. And then this back here is the French restaurant. This is the carousel. Oh, wow. There's some music. Yeah, this is the aft of the ship. The way the stage is reminds me of, I think it's Elvis when he played like that. Let's go take a look off the aft. Oh yeah, looking out the port. Yeah. All chocolate. Those chocolate balls right there. all made out of chocolate. There's the Christmas trees. Chips. There's a shoe. How you doing? Yeah, for those of you who like macaroons, chocolate sets. And there's your pricing. What's this place called, Marcia?
Jean-Philippe Chocolate and Cafe.
Jean? About forgot. Everything but the MSC and a few other things. It's all made out of chocolate. Look at that. As you will see, there's art throughout the whole ship. Go to your spa or your thermal on the first day. There's usually a good discount. Of course, you can always book this ahead of time. Being that we were on board before 12 o'clock, we got to walk around the ship and really explore. Seemed like nobody was on board. The ship, I think, had it between 1,100 and 1,300 people. That's the water park. Horizontal bar. As you can see, they don't have any of these chairs out on these decks, but this would probably normally be pretty full. Now I can tell you one thing, this pool is not heated here, or at least it's not heated yesterday when I was in it. Yeah. Look, Mom, I made it to Broadway. What'd that drop? Oh, okay. Yeah, Broadway. And, hey, babe. Touch that point. Thank you. Look at there, they got the children. Lego! Lego, my Lego! They even got baby club. The solarium is a great place to lay in the shade and nap. This bar ain't open as of right now. More of a, yeah, it's for adults only. The bamboo bar and pool. Games up here. Whirlpools. Deck 16. Overlooking the bamboo area. Again, adults only. Let's go look at a whirlpool. Haven't been up here yet. They were busy last night. This was full. Great views. So this is a really cool feature. This is retractable. This goes back, I call that the solarium. That's for adults only. You got the yacht club up in this area. I think it's decks 19, 18. They have almost all the way down to 15. That's the front side. And no one is out yet. It's about 8:30. Today is December the 7th. One of the best Decembers I've ever had. I really enjoy sharing the pictures and videos. I also recommend, if you ever get a chance, go on a cruise. See for yourself. It's even more beautiful. One thing I recommend is trying a sample. Very neat restrooms everywhere on the ship. Very nice and spacious gym on board. I spent a lot of time not in here. That whirlpool stick out. They stick out over the ship a little bit. It's a great view. There's one on each side. I actually haven't been in this pool yet. I'll be in there probably tomorrow. We got the showers out here. There is a smoking side and then a non-smoking side. I do believe that side, let's see. I have to figure out which side I'm on. I think it is on this side. I think it's on the port side. This is the gym right in here.
Day or late into the night, the TV studio and bar always had something going on. Yes, we took dance classes.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning. We are going to test the fates tonight. Hope to anyway. This is a big casino. Ah, roulette, baccarat. Do they have what Tony enjoys? Oh, this is nice. It looks like the bar was open. I thought they still had the bar seats closed and you couldn't. The bar may be closed. I don't know. On the way. Yeah. Oh yeah. Digital roulette.
The MSC Meraviglia has a lot for adults and children to do aboard.
Formula One simulators. Bowling alley, 4D cinema. Flight simulator.
We hope you've enjoyed our videos and pictures from the round the ship of MSC Meraviglia. If you're interested, I can put you in contact with my travel agent. As always, safe travels.